Hi, my name is Aaron Renier, and I'm a cartoonist and illustrator. I've written and drawn several graphic novels for young people, like the award-winning Spiral Bound and my book series, The Unsinkable Walker Bean. I'm also proud of the work I've done on children's picture books with the likes of Daniel Pinkwater, and won a joint Emmy for my storyboards on the TV show Over the Garden Wall. My specialty are adventure stories with lots of characters and details that reward repeat readings. And I use traditional comic-making tools to do so. Mastering the brush and nib will create a sense of confidence that you can bring to any medium, and it really makes the panels come to life and leap off the page. With graphic novels, words and pictures become a catalyst for magic through their synergy. I realized this when I was still very young, and it helped me both with getting through tough times and to fall in love with reading. Today I want to give something back. In this Domestika course, you will learn the fundamentals of how to write and draw analog mini-comics for all ages. For the final project, you will produce a comic strip on a single sheet of paper that will become a booklet once folded. First, we'll look at the materials and do a quick jam comic, a game for learning the building blocks of comics. We will also do some ink practice. Next, we'll write a quick story, design our character, and draft sequences while focusing on world building. We will then redraw our sketches in pencil on Bristol and finalize it with ink. Lastly, we'll discuss ways to make multiple copies of our finished work. By the end of this course, you'll be able to share your worldview through comics while keeping your audience as big as possible. Discover the art of cartooning and touch the hearts of readers from 0 to 100.